Now, next problem is that. Next problem. Suppose there is a neem tree. A neem tree. The neem tree grows, and finally it shrinks to what? The tree shrinks into what?
Seed.
Yes?
Seed.
Yeah, what? A tree grows and it shrinks into what? Yes? You are putting one mango seed down. Okay, how many seeds are coming out? 100. So the tree shrinks into what? The seed again. With all its imprints. With all its records are there in the seed. And when the seed is falling, given the circumstances, what it does? Grows. It repeats what the mother did. Can it change its behavior? My mother was bearing fruit every July. I don't like that. I'll bear fruit in December. Can it do that? Not possible. Not possible. The same July, this is a bear fruit. So a tree, the seed of the tree cannot change its imprint, what it borrowed. It cannot change. Okay, an animal, can it change? An animal to change. How far I should live in that rented house? I will build my own house. Any cat is thinking like that? It doesn't think that. So up to animals, they don't have the power to change the imprints. They have to live according to the imprint, that's all. But only exception is the human being. The human being alone has the power for what? To change the record. My father does not even know the spelling for cricket, but I will be a worldwide cricketer. I have changed. My father married at the age of 24, but I will say, I don't get married at all. I have changed. Okay? My father was owner of a petty shop. Okay? I will say, why petty shop? Okay? I will become the vice chancellor of a university. That change is possible only for a human being. So, a human being should not say that my father was a poor man, I am born in that community, I cannot go up. Absolutely no complaint. You have the power to change. That is what Vivekananda said, sky is your limit. Your limit is sky. Go ahead. Your future is in your hand. It is not decided by anybody else. So, the point is that power given to us to change our record and go in a different direction, we are given that power. We alone are given the power. Is it a boon or a curse? What is it?
Both.
Yeah? Both, exactly. Exactly. Suppose I change in the right way, it's a boon. Suppose I change in the wrong way, what it is a curse. Okay? People who have changed in the right way, they become the judge. People who have changed in the wrong way, they remain as accused. Both are human beings. Mind that both are human beings. But one is as a judge sitting there. Another same human being is kneeling down as an accused. Why? He has not changed that in the proper way. He has changed that in the proper way, he goes up. So it depends how do you change. But the power is given to you. Okay, that is why, suppose I do a wrong thing and I am caught, I am standing before the judge asking me, why you have done that? I cannot say, my father used to do that, I also did that, I also did that. Your father did okay, you have the power to change. Why you have not changed? That is why you are punished. You have the power to change. Why you have not changed? Therefore the judge will say, I will give you 6 months time and we will feed you, you just change and then come out. So the punishment is for whom? For him to change. 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, depending upon the crime, you just be there, change and then come out to the society. So my dear friends, your lives rise or fall depends on what? How do you change? How do you change your imprints? How do you change your records? Okay? So, I borrowed from my parents some record. That is called Sanchita Karma. I borrowed it from my parents. That is called Sanchita Karma. But I can, what is it my father was doing? Not at all educated. I must get educated. This fresh thought in me will produce an imprint there. The imprint due to me is called the prarabdha karma. Okay. So by using a prarabdha karma, I can change what? The sanchita karma. Okay. That is what we have to do. And that is why we need education. Given the situation, how Mahatma Gandhi would have behaved, given the situation, how Vivekananda would have behaved, I will do the same thing. I have the forerunners. I will do the same thing. That is why we need education. Okay? In your house, a tree is there. Are you asking your tree to go to the school and get educated? No. It has got only one sense. Is it not? In your house, there is a cat. Cat has how many senses? 5 senses alone. Are you asking the cat to go to the school? No. But your child has got 6 senses. Okay? Your child has got how many senses? 6 senses. But you are asking your child to go to the school. Not the cat which has got only 5 senses. Not the cat which has got only 1 sense. Your child has got already 6 senses, but you are asking that to go to the school. Why? Because the child, when it grows, it has the power to change. It must change the records in the proper way. That's why you need education. So education gives you the power, the maturity to change our records in the right way, so that you are coming up in your life.